welcome back to another video, guys. I am super excited. I will be showing you how to upgrade your lash game, so if you are interested in that, definitely stick around. Now definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more DIYs, and guys, I am planning to make it from scratch in the future, so definitely subscribe if you haven't. Now these lashes are silk type of lash and they are from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link everything down below. I recommend these because they are lightweight and soft, and these individual lashes pair so well with them, and the curls are really nice and defined. I really like these individual lashes because they don't rip easily, and on top of that they blend so well and they are very lightweight. I will be using the VI's lash adhesive. This stuff is amazing. It's super strong, and I feel like the chemical smell for this is not as strong as the other ones. And of course, most importantly, I will be using this pointed tweezers to help me apply the individual lashes on top of the strip lash. The first step that I will be doing is take a pair of scissors to cut the length of the lash. I'm not going to cut too much of it because I like to extend my eyes. You want to grab the individual lashes at the base of the lash. This will give you a more comfortable position when applying it to the strip lash, and not only that, you can prevent ripping the individual lashes. Now, as you guys may know, I like to start in the center of the strip lash, or if I do my own lash extensions, I like to start in the center of my eyes. I'll go ahead and link the videos down below if you guys want to check it out. I feel like when you start in the center, it gives you a better idea if all of the sides are even. When applying the individual lashes, I think it's so important to take your pointed tweezers and push the lashes up. Not only will this help support the individual lashes to hold, this will also prevent the lashes from sticking onto the tray. Another great tip is that if you flip the tray upside down, you can see what needs more filling, so I'm going to definitely work on that. Alright guys, this is the final results. I am super happy about it. What do you guys think? Share in the comments down below, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I just wanted to say another big shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing and so supported. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to make another video for you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.